Then he's gonna change his mind.
Hi man. We are live right now on YouTube, guys. Click over here. Hi man. We are live on YouTube right now, guys. Click over here, join up, live on YouTube, gold, NASDAQ, USDT. We are about to get some banger trades. Join up, it's 100% free, and make some money with me. Click over here and join. We are live on YouTube right now, guys. Click over here, join up, live on YouTube. My people, my people, my people. What are we saying? What are we saying, guys? New York stream. Let me just do this. Make some money with me for free. Hopefully today we can get some banger trades, guys. Hopefully today we can make some banger money, some banger trades, of course. I blew 4 accounts. How, bro? How you blow 4 accounts today, bro? The day hasn't even started yet, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, man? How you blow 4 accounts, bro? Come on, bro. This here was Mr. Stylish Keys trade, bro. Stylish Keys in the building. Beautiful, beautiful trade right there. But let's go over to gold here and let's see what can we do on Goldilocks, guys. I'm seeing some nice movement over here. Here's the story of the Porsche. Crazy work. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you, brother. Daniel's son. Nah, this is the previous one. Let's go. I'm excited for the stream, man. I'm excited for the stream. Look at Bitcoin. I'll look at Bitcoin in a second. Let me just get my things going out here. Send out my links here to all of the viewers, to all of the groups over here. Can get as many viewers as possible in here, guys. Send that out. Send that out. Join up, my people. Trading live. Send this out here. How's everyone doing, guys? How's everyone doing on this beautiful Thursday? Once again, it's actually raining. It is raining here in Joburg. And the one day I took the Porsche out, it starts literally, I promise you, storming, bro. Like when I say storming, I mean we actually drive with our hazards on because it was so much of rain. It was actually crazy. I was a bit scared because of course I'm driving a Porsche, bro. I don't want to bump a Porsche. So like I had to drive so slow. I was driving like 60 the whole time. But yeah, it was a good experience though. It was a good little learning experience, learning curve of course. But yeah, essentially it's fine now. It's fine now. Perfect. And today we got some Fanta. Yep. I got no snacks. I did buy some fruit, but I said nah, let me not eat any more snacks. I'm gonna go to the gym after this anyway, so that's why I wanna keep myself lean. I'm gonna become a machine the next 6 months. I promise you guys, I'm gonna become an absolute machine, guys. Let me remove this away, go to the 30-minute time frame, and let's look for our setups here on gold. The first thing that I can see very clearly, guys. Day 2 of asking to get Brandon on the stream as a guest. We can, bro. Brandon, are you from Joburg, bro? Or are you from Durban? Or from Cape Town? Where you from, bro? What's up, bro? Maya, what's up, Maya? What's up, Abdul Kader, of course. Pump the iron, yes, sir. What's up, Tim? It is, bro. Is it even? I agree, bro. It's raining every single day in Joburg, bro. It's actually annoying. And every day, like for this week, yeah, I said, nah, I'm not gonna take the Porsche out because it's gonna rain. And it doesn't rain. I'm with the BM. The day that it is raining, I have the Porsche with me. Like, bro, it's gonna get so dirty, bro. And the yellow color, you're gonna see the dirt easy, bro. Do you go to Virgin or Planet? Go to Virgin Active, bro. Virgin Active. I'm in Cape Town. Come down, bro. I want to meet you, bro. Or when it comes time for AFMAS, I will meet you, bro. Because I'm going to be coming down to Cape Town for the AFMAS, bro. Definitely. Yes, sir, Mr. Hisham Ahmed. I also want to get a signal, bro. I want to get a trade here, bro. I want to get a good trade here, guys. 30-minute time frame. Let's see where we have our levels. There's a level of resistance up top here. I would rather put it there. Another level down below here. Another level up top there. A level up top there as well. And yeah, that's our level for right now. Mr. Goldilocks, let's see, 5-minute time frame. We might have some buys, guys. We might have some buys here, low key. We might just have some buys on gold right now. I mean, we're having a very, very good reaction to this level over here. It's looking quite decent for some buys, I won't lie to you. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see over here, guys, why we're actually looking for buys over here. Did you ever work a job? No, I never, bro. I did not work a job ever before in my life. Alhamdulillah, thanks to God for that. I was studying in university, then I became a full-time trader, broski. 100%, bro. Let's see over here. You said I flipped 1k to 350k. What do you mean, bro? How is that even possible? Mohammed Hassan, bro. Which broker are you using? What leverage are you using? What are you trading, bro? Let us all know, bro. What are you, like, what broker are you using? Which leverage? What pair? What are you doing, bro, to be able to flip 1k to 350k, bro? You full margin it? That's insane, bro. That's actually insane. Holy crap, bro. Wow. It's actually a madness, Mohammed Hassan. I won't lie to you. Crazy, bro. Did you find a genie? What you mean, bro? What genie? Analyze NAS 100. We'll go into NAS 100 in just a sec. I'm just gonna do gold here for us real quick before we go over to the NASDAQ and to US 30 and all those pairs. Let's get my thing opened here. Perfect, bro. So yeah, here we have gold over here. You can see that we have a level of support down here. The market is quite bearish right now, right? So we won't be opposed to taking sells. Of course, we can take sells if the market does give us the sells, but you know, I'm gonna force a sell. I'm seeing more so buys for today. So if we can get buys, it would be nice, right? So let me see over here. Go there. Let's see, where else can we put a level here, guys? You can put a level down below here because of this here, right? We can also put another level over there and another level down below here, right? Boom. Okay, yeah, perfect. There we have it. Okay, perfect. Please analyze NAS. I will, bro. I will analyze NAS 100 now. I'm just going through gold first because we obviously first trade gold. Please look at German 30 when you're on gold. German 30, I haven't ever traded in my entire life, bro. I won't even lie to you. But I will take a look to see what it actually is saying so that I can help you basically. But gold, we have this here, right? The level of support looks to be quite strong because you can see we have multiple times that the market that actually came to this level over here. You can see it touched this level of support here multiple times, right? Can you guys hear me clearly? Just let me know. Can you guys hear me clearly on your side? You can see we have multiple levels of the touch, multiple touches on this level over here. It has respected the area. So what I would wait for to, what's up, bro? How's a raise RS3 then trade to make $1 million? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, broski. I won't lie to you, but I'm not looking to buy any more cars now, bro. I'm not looking to buy any more cars now. My garage can't fit any more cars, bro. I have already 3 cars. I can't fit more. But what I'm looking for on gold over here is, since we have this level of resistance up top here, right? I would look for it to first push up to this area, break above and retest, and look for an entry over here, guys. This here would be our ideal entry. So if I draw it for you guys on this thing here to make it look clean, right? Something like this. Break above, retest, and continue. And then I'll put a little text box over here, a call out to say this here is our ideal entry area, right? We ideally want to enter around this area over here on the retest because this is going to be our lowest entry and looking to make our maximum profit from the lowest point, right? So the breakout, retest, continuation. That's what I'm looking for on gold over here. Or the other option is that it's just going to break below, retest there, and continue down there, right? I'm going to put this here into a different color so that you can see it, right? And then this here will be the exact same, right? This here would be our ideal, sorry about that, let me type it here, ideal sell setup, right? I'll put here ideal, oh wait, sorry, not that. Ideal buy setup, right? Perfecto. So these are our two scenarios we could have over here. Either we're going to have a ideal buy setup where a breakout retest above, or it's going to be a break below retest and a complete sell-off to this level over here, right? It could of course go even further down, but I'll target this area here for my TP1. Same thing here, TP1 will be here and TP2 will be there, TP3 will be up top there. So this is gold over here. Let's see over here. So chances are high for a signal. Yeah, bro, of course, bro. I'm a civil engineer. I'll design and build crazy work, bro. Well done on being a civil engineer, bro. Well done, bro. 812 super fast coming soon. Hopefully, bro. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. We have 210 viewers. Don't forget to leave a like. We're only on 27 likes. What's going on, bro? I need some more likes, guys. I want to be like star for one. You can be, bro. Just lock in with trading, guys. Can you explain how the two-step challenge account rules work? Because I've heard you must hold. Yeah, so if you get in a normal challenge with Comit Capital, you have to hold for at least 10 minutes. You cannot scalp, you can't trade news, right? So that I would say rather get a classic account with Comit Capital where you can trade news, you can also scalp, and there's no consistency. So yeah, go for a classic account instead, bro. It's much better, bro. How's it looking now? It's looking quite good, guys. Are you guys making money? Not as yet, bro. We are waiting for a setup here, either a breakout for a buy or a break below for a sell, bro. This is on gold. I'm going to go over to NASDAQ and US 30 now in just a minute. Just looking at the chat, bro. What's your third car? I don't want to say, bro. I don't want to say what my third car is. That's the car that I keep away from social media completely because people aren't always happy for you, bro. Like, yes, they'll comment and say, well done, and this and that. But in their heart, they're thinking, why can he have it? Why can't I have it? And that there puts, obviously, a bad eye on you. So that's why I keep some of my things private. Like, I do post a lot, yes. But also for safety, I keep things a bit private as well, guys. So, yeah. V10 R8 coming soon? Nah, bro, I can't get another supercar, bro. That would be crazy. Maybe once I start hitting some more profits, bro. It's called Nazir, exactly, bro. Nazir is real, bro. After today, I will buy a 500 account. Inshallah, I mean, bro. You're not wrong, bro. People, 100%, bro. People are not always the way they seem. Yes, they might be happy for you to your face, but in their hearts, they're thinking something different, bro. I just want profit. Yesterday was slag. I agree, bro. Yesterday, we had a loss on the stream, and then we recovered it straight afterwards on the VIP signal group because I ended the stream at about, I think, 10 past 4. And I think like 4:30, I got a trade on the VIP group for a buy, and we caught a beautiful buy yesterday. I think this was a trade. When was it? The trade yesterday was somewhere around here, bro. It was like over here, so bro. We caught this buy. So yeah, we bought over here, right? It hit our stop loss. Then I bought again over here and hit our take profit. So it was a bit annoying that on the stream we lost, but in the VIP we won. But it happens, guys. It happens. Maybe you should stay. What you mean, bro? Oh, like stay for longer? Yeah, I hope. Hopefully we can, bro. I understand. Perfect, bro. What's your whole car collection worth? I can't say numbers, guys. I can't say numbers, man. Okay, let's go over to US 30 and NASDAQ now, and let's see what is going on over here on US 30 and on NASDAQ. The first thing I can see is a minor level of support has actually been formed over there. Right? We also have a level of support down there. Open up my chat again. A third car has to be now, bro. It's not a VW, bro. It's not a VW. At the moment, gold still bearish. Yep, that's why we have two options, bro. Where you buying your biltong from? From in the office, bro. In the office, there's a shop. And they sell the biltong that I like. So, really in the office, bro, is where I'm buying the biltong from, bro. So, US 30 is not looking the best. I mean, look at this, right? It's just like, this year isn't really good market structure. It's just basically going down. It's making lower highs and lower lows. What year is the GT4? It's a 2020, bro. And yellow because it's a standout color, bro. It's a signature Porsche color. It's a signature Porsche color, bro, to have a yellow GT4, bro. I bought 5K worth of groceries using your signals. Amazing, bro. Lovely stuff. That's what I actually want, bro, to help you guys in real life, not just to go and make money and buy a car. Nah, bro. I want to actually help you guys, bro. Hi, now VW is Indian Toyota Camry. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Get a Lepus. I have actually been seeing that, bro. Those Lepus cars, I've been seeing them around. I'm not sure like if they're a good car or what it is, but yeah, bro. What's the best currency pair to trade? I would say either USD JPY or Euro USD in my opinion, or even GBP JPY, bro, in my opinion. So yeah, this here is a minor level of support. Minor level of support over here, right? We have another level of support there, a level of resistance over there. What other German methods? I can't take. Crazy, bro. I think gold will dump in the NY Open. Let's see, bro. Let's see. We have about 15 minutes left for it, bro. But I'm busy going through US 30 right now and seeing what can US 30 actually be doing over here, because we did actually catch some nice trades here on Tuesday on US 30. So that was quite nice, bro, at least. So what I'll wait for over here is I want to first see US 30 come down to this area over here, have a reaction to the upside, and then look for buys, something like this here. This here would be our buy setup, bro. Are you married? I'm not. I am not married, bro. Not as yet. Not as yet. I see you've added US 30. Yeah, bro. So just for the streams, I've added US 30, bro. But for the signal group so far, it's just going to be sticking to gold. I agree with you, Brandon. Stuff one is really... Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. She's loading. Yes, sir. She's loading, man. She is loading, broski. She is loading indeed, bro. You earned the name. Thank you, bro. Should we give gold a break at the moment if it's not working out? Yeah, bro, of course. One-on-one strategy offers. Yes, I do one-on-one mentorships. It is 1.5K for 1 hour lesson, live on a Zoom call. Or if you want in person, that's 7.5K once off for 3 hours here at the office, bro. So that's what I'm seeing here on USD. Let's go over to NASDAQ and see what NASDAQ is doing. So this here is Mr. Stylish Keys analysis. I'm going to just remove it for right now so I can just see what's going on here as well. We first see, of course, we have this level over here that we have. Level of resistance over there. Then we have, let's see, where another level. Put a level up top here of resistance as well. A level of support that we can be using can be around there. And around there, right? Okay. So I'll wait for you on NASDAQ. Yes, I am seeing it being bearish. What's your risk management plan? So for my risk management plan on my main account, I risk about 10 to 15K a day to make between 20 to 30K a day, bro. So about a 1:2 risk to reward ratio on my main account. And if I don't get a 1:2, if I get a 1:1, I still take it. And then I go the next day, and then I get a 1:2. If I get more than that, like a 1:3, 1:4, that's just an added bonus. But for the most part, it's a 1:2, bro. So I'll wait for it for for NAS 100 to get to this area, have a rejection, look for an entry somewhere here, have a sell-off to this area over here. The only thing that concerns me right now is that we do actually have NY Open in about 11 minutes or so. So we could see this thing first do this here, right? First go up, take out all of this liquidity up top here, and then drop down, right? So just be careful. I would first wait for the market to open up and then give us a good setup and then take a trade. So yeah. Are you using pure price action? Yeah, bro. Pure price action, bro. How much is signal group? Is 300 Rand for a month, bro. 300 Rand for a month. I got 500 Rand to make 3K. Perfect, bro. So is that the way you made money to get the GT4? Most of it, bro. Most of it, bro. Yeah. I mean, I've been trading for 6 years, bro. And I've been profitable for about 3 years. So, yeah, bro. Have you received a pay on your funded account? No, bro, I haven't. Because the markets are so crazy right now, I'm trying to keep it away from my funded account, because I have a normal funded account with Comit Capital of 1 million Rand. And sometimes if I take a trade, I don't hold for 10 minutes. I hold for like 3 or 4 minutes. And I don't want to breach my account because of that rule. So that's why I'm trying to stay away until the markets are a bit more chilled out. Then I can go again, bro, on the funded account. How do I join the Signal group? Just send me a DM, bro. If you want to join the Signal group, just send me a DM. My Instagram is this here, fx_killers_. What do you do besides nothing else, bro? I only do trading, bro. I literally only do day trading, nothing else. I don't do any other businesses, broski. This is my Instagram over here, bro, for Mr. Ijaz Kader. For you want to join the Signal group over there. How many hours do you spend on the chart while learning? At least like 5 to 6 hours learning, bro, because you have to obviously forward test, back test. For me personally, I like to forward test. So I take my trades, and if I lose, I lose. If I win, I know why I won. If I lost, I know why I lost. That's called forward testing, because you're actually taking the trade and you're learning in real time. It's not really good to back test for me personally, because you already know, bro. Like if you want to back test and say, okay, I want to look for sells of this area, you already know that it did sell off. So there's no point in doing back testing for me. I'd rather do forward testing and say, okay, from this area over here, are we looking for buys or are we looking for sells from this area over here? So yeah, let's see the chat over here. How long will it take to buy the 50k account on space markets? It's just up to you, bro. It's up to you how much you want to risk. If you want to go higher risk on your funded account or low risk, bro. Are you taking gold or US30? Both, bro. Both. We're going to be doing both. This is US30 for now, but I'm also looking for gold in a few minutes time. Then the other option is it just breaks above here, retest there, and goes up. So either going to sell off or it's going to buy. Perfect. So let's see over here. So on the technicals in TradingView, 1 in 5 minutes show you strong buy, about 15 show you sell. Exactly. So it has to all align, bro. So it must be with a 30-minute time frame, 50-minute time frame, and a 5-minute time frame all align for a plus setup, bro. Like you can't have it where the 5-minute time frame showing you a buy, but the 15-minute time frame shows you a sell. So for like right now, right? This is why I never took this buy on gold, because what do we see, right? The 1 hour time frame is showing us bearish, bearish, then bullish, right? So it's showing us that there was a big bearish candle and a big rejection here, showing us even more bearish momentum. So let's not take a buy, even though the 15-minute time frame shows us a bullish buy-in candle. That's why you have to wait for a strong candle closure on the higher time frame to actually determine, okay, it wants to go up or wants to come down. Let's see over here what you say. Keep in mind, Safwan's VIP group has over 1.1 members. Exactly, bro. It has about 1,020 members in the VIP group, bro. Is there a special on the VIP? There's actually going to be a special on the VIP Signal group and the mentorship after the stream ends. I'm going to be announcing it in the free group. So there will be a massive, massive discount, bro. I told you that I'm cooking up for you guys a crazy discount to give you guys some help to basically join at a cheaper price so that you can get in and learn, bro. Must you hold your trade for 10 minutes on Comit Capital? Yes, bro. On the normal account, yes. On the classic account, no. What's your lot size on 10 to 15k? 0.05, bro. 0.05. Which is better to trade with, Comit, RCG markets, or space markets? So for me personally, I'm partnered up with Comit Capital and with space markets. But RCG also is good, bro. It is. They're all very good, bro. If you hit your daily targets in the morning, do you take trades later on? Nah, I don't, bro. So if I hit my daily targets in the morning, I literally don't trade anymore because there's no need for me to go and risk more and more and more. I take my money, I withdraw, and I go and spend it, bro. I'll probably go and spend it on fuel because the price of fuel is so expensive right now. It's actually crazy, bro. So, yeah. Let's see over here. Do you prefer a classic account or normal? A classic account's better, bro. A classic account's better, bro. Do you think LXG is a scam? I'm not sure, bro. I don't know the guy personally. I can't comment on that, bro. I don't think, like, it's very difficult to call someone a scammer without actually knowing them personally because you don't know what the guy's actually like, bro. Like, people that know me, they know me personally, they know I'm not a scammer because they know me personally, bro. They have a personal relationship with me so they can say, okay, this guy's actually a good guy. You can see he wants to help, this, that, this, that. So that's why they can judge and say that. But I can't go and say, okay, like Maps is a scammer or Marcelino is a scammer because like I don't know them like very well like that. Like I haven't been in their groups to see, okay, they're doing this, doing that. The same thing with Mr. Alex G over here. I haven't been in the groups. I haven't, done anything, so I can't say. Exactly, like you can't say, bro. But just know one thing, that all the bros over here, like myself, Maps, Stylish Keys, Marcelino, Marco, all of us here, bro. Shaquille, Alex, there's no scams here, bro. We literally upfront with you guys. We completely transparent. We show you exactly what we have to show you. We show you the wins. We show you the losses. We show you the hard days. We show you the good days. Everything is there, bro. That's how you have to be. If someone's only showing you wins and wins and wins, there must be something wrong, bro. Like, we show you losses. We show you wins. Show you everything, bro. I agree. Forward testing 100%, bro. Do you offer copy trading? No, I don't, bro. I don't. What lot size would be on gold? A 0.01 for a small account, bro. Do you consider liquidity? Because most of the rejections are liquidity. I don't normally require, consider liquidity. I more so use support and resistance, bro. More so. Okay, perfect, Jazz. I will have my admin take a look at that, bro. Desiree, I already answered your question. All three are very good, bro. Is your brother also going into trading? Nah, bro. He's going a different path. He's going with marketing, bro, and with e-commerce. 0.05, how many trades? I would say like 3 to 4 trades, bro. Don't go full margin. It's not worth it, bro. Just rather grow your account slowly, make 1 to 2K profit per day, and make your big blues. Literally. The VIP signal will pay you 100%, man. That's what we do, bro. That's what we do. Have you used HFM before? No, I haven't, bro. I have not used HFM before. I only use space markets, bro. Space markets. What's the price of fuel by you? I think it's like 21 Rand or 22 Rand per liter. I think so. It hasn't gone up as yet. The price of diesel has gone up, bro. So my one car is diesel. So that's the issue. But it's all good, though. We got gold that pays for it, bro. Space markets t-shirt, do you sell? Yes, we do sell it, bro, for 1.5K per t-shirt, bro. Do you think Marco's a scammer? Absolutely not. Marco is a good guy, bro. Marco's a good trader. He's a good guy, bro. We love Marco over here. Do you still have your 1 million funded account? I do, bro. I do. I literally bought your VIP yesterday. If I wanted a special later on today for the mentorship, yeah, bro. Just send me a DM and I'll organize for you, bro. No stress. Did 1 a.m. hit this morning? It never actually. I was looking for a trade this morning at 1 a.m. and no trade, unfortunately, bro. How do you get out of the constant break-even cycle of trading? So the way you get out of break-even, right? Listen to this, guys. This is going to be actual source for you. This is how I actually broke out of like losing the whole time and having break-even trades to having my account always in profit, right? Is you have to target bigger risk to reward ratio. So you can't stick to 1:1 forever, right? So 1:1 is good, yes. When you learning and when you in that development stage, 1:1, perfect, bro. Learn exactly how the markets work, get your targets, hit your take profits, get that excitement to say, okay, I took my trade over here because of this and that. Let's see how it goes. When you hit take profit, you're happy. You hit take profit 1 because you follow your rules, you follow your setup, perfect. Then could do that there for a full week, right? The whole time 1:1, 1:1, 1:1. Build your account. If you lose, it's fine. You only lost 1 hour. The next day you make 1 hour, you make it back. Perfectly fine. The next week, try and aim for 1:1.5 hour. So 0.5 hour more, right? For your risk to reward. So now you basically growing and you expanding your reward in terms of your risk ratio, right? So you do that there again, 1:1.5. Win, maybe loss. Win, right? For the whole week. Now your account's growing by a bit more all the time, right? So you're growing now by a bit more, but when you lose, you're losing less. The next week, go to a 1:2. Complete that whole week. Go on. Then you go 1:3. Now when you get over 1:2 risk to your ratio, you basically chilling, bro. Because then you're risking, say, 1K to make 3K. So if you take 5 trades in the week and you lose, say, 3 trades and you win 2, you lost more than you won. But you come out of that in big blues because you only lost 3K, but you won 6K. So that's why the risk to reward ratio is always very important. Don't just go full margin, bro. It's not worth it, man. Trust me. Rather grow your account steadily with a good risk to reward ratio and you'll actually make money in the markets, bro. Literally. Let's see over the chat what he's saying. Is it because of the daily payout that you chose to get? Exactly, bro. US 30 is melting. Let's check it out over here. Not really, bro. Not really melting US 30. It's not really moving. It's gonna start moving now at half past, bro. now at half past when the markets open up in literally 30 seconds, guys. Do you use the bonus 100 account? No, I use a normal account, bro. I don't trust people who only show wins most of the time. 100%, bro. Always show the wins and the losses, bro. Joined a YouTube stream a while back. Trader only took an L. Then Big Blues on IG only post. Exactly, bro. You see? That's why you have to be transparent like me, bro. I go onto my Instagram and I say, we took a loss over here. We took a win over here. Or we only took losses. Or we only took wins. I show you guys the reality of trading, guys. Literally. I hope we get something. I also hope so, bro. I mean, I can't really control the markets and say we will get something. We have to just wait and see. Do we get profits or do we get a trade or not, bro? Guys, the Signal Group's a real deal. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. What cars do you have? I already told you guys, bro. Come again. How much is the shirt? It's 1.5k, bro, for a shirt. It's a custom-made shirt, bro. So, for one, do you copy trade? No, bro. I don't. What's up? Yes, Steel. How you doing, bro? Which is better, back testing or forward? I think forward testing is better, bro. I low-key just full port your signals. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. I mean, most of the time, my signals are actually like snipers. So, yeah. I mean, personally, I would say don't do that. Go for, you know, like a sustainable approach. But it's your choice, bro. It's your choice. I got sales at 4448 over here. 4448. Okay, so you're basically at entry, bro. I personally wouldn't take any trades now because it's in between a range over here. It's in between a range, so I'm going to type over here, no trade range, waiting for breakout, right? So there's a no trade range over here, waiting for our breakout to occur over here. Then we can look for our trades, guys, here on gold. So for one third cards, the Bugatti, crazy, bro. How do you pass my one-step funded accounting? I'm not sure what you're even saying there, bro. Is funded better than deposits? I think personally a live account's better, bro, because you can trade with no rules and withdraw. So yeah. Do you use a sniper account? I don't, bro. I use a normal account, bro. Stuff one. Let's go SXFY, bro. Whichever way this breakout is going, I agree, bro. If it breaks out either to the upside, it's gonna fly, or if it breaks to the downside, it's also gonna fly down, bro. So let's see. US 30. It is actually respecting this level of minus support over here, which is good. I mean, our level of support was perfect, that means, but I wanted to first come a bit more lower down for a possible buy, so let's wait for that. The same thing here on NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ as well. It is just dropping down right now. It didn't really go to any area, so you can see I'm gonna just go over here and I'm gonna control C this, then control V that, right? So it's a no trade range between a support and a resistance, so we can't take no trades, guys. US 30 is moving. Let's go and check out US 30, bro. Yes, it is moving. Like I said, it's reacting off the minor level of support that I have drawn down there, but there's no trades because it's only reacting off the level, and we wanted to first come a bit more down. So if it gets to here, then you can have a possible sell off of this area over here at about 46280. It seems as the better my understanding of trading gets, the more patient I am, the worse my results are getting over time. So in terms of that, bro, I think you have to just keep on going. You have to just keep on pushing through that because you getting to understand the markets more. Yes, you might be losing, but that's perfectly fine. As long as you're taking the lesson out of the loss and you're saying, okay, I lost because of this or I won because of this. Right? It's not just, okay, I lost, it's done now, let me go on to the next side. No. You're actually learning and saying, okay, I lost because of this or I won because of this. So yeah, still waiting here on gold, bro. So your breakout strategy, yeah, so your strategy is most on 100%, bro. Yes, sir. US 30, you can see over here, we're waiting for something to happen here, guys. NASDAQ as well, same thing. You see it's just shooting down right now, Mr. NASDAQ. There could be possible sells on NASDAQ as well. It's looking quite decent. Same thing with gold as well. It's coming down quite nicely over there. For a strong bearish candle closure there, that would be a nice little sell-off on Goldilocks. So let me just move this here away so I can actually see what this thing is saying, right? So let's take a picture of this here, guys, if you do want to take a picture of this so that you know what we're actually looking for here on Goldilocks. I'll take a picture of this here on gold so you know exactly what we're looking for here on gold, so that you aren't confused when the stream ends and you don't know what's happening. So take a pic of that, and yeah, that is gold over there. Let me just remove all of these drawings over here so we can actually see what's going on here on this chart, right? Same thing over here, remove that, and then remove that there as well. Okay, perfect, right? We're on 72 likes, guys. We're literally only 28 likes away from 100. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. We have 250 viewers. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. And subscribe, guys. Guys. Clear that, clear that, clear that, clear that. Boom. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. I'm on gold right now, waiting for gold to give us something. Are you going to give the signal? Yes, I will, bro. I will. If the 30-minute candle closes bullish, I'm bullish for today and tomorrow on gold. Same, bro. Same here. Damn, your family must be proud of you. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Shukr to God for that, bro. Check gold on the 4 hour. Looks like buys. Gold on the 4 hour. Not really, bro. Gold looks like a sell on the 4 hour, bro. Because you can see over here, big bearish candle, continuation of bearish candle, and now, yes, it's going up to make a wick on the 4 hour time frame and then a complete drop. So that's why I'm waiting here for a drop on gold. I'm looking for sells on gold, guys. Sometimes I don't want to trade on my own. I just wait for your signals. You can, bro. You can. How many siblings you got? I got 5 siblings, bro. Close my sales 122 USD down. Amazing work, bro. Lovely, lovely profits, Mr. The crossbar 284. Lovely, bro. Guys, did you know if you hit the like button, A plus setup is better? Crazy, bro. Crazy, man. I like that, Brandon. I like that, man. Crazy work, bro. Put that, boom. Go back to my stream over here. And let's wait for our setup, man. Let's go 100 likes on the stream. What sniper account is space market? So it basically has lower spread, bro. Very tightest spreads on the sniper account. I'm currently in buys on gold and my TP is 4463. It looks decent, bro. I mean, it's really like almost at the level of resistance over here. So it's not the best, but it could work, bro. Could work. Also, what are you guys saying? I just got a haircut today again. What are we saying? Is the cut looking fresh or not? Let me know. Is the cut looking fresh or not? Let me know, man. Put on my sunglasses over here, of course. Sunglasses over here, man. Is the cut fresh or not? Let me know, man. Let me know. Is the cut fresh or not, man? Come on now. Come on now. Damn, bro, looking snazzy there. I'm looking at my stream over here. Bro, looking snazzy. Wait. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Make this camera a bit smaller. So I know if I leave this camera big, you guys won't be able to even trade. Because my face is just too gorgeous. Man, it's tough being 7 foot, handsome, Porsche GT4. I'm joking, man. I'm joking. Crazy. Just jokes, man. Just jokes. Nice. Not. What you mean, bro? It's not fresh. What you mean, bro? You said my barber never got me right? Come on, man. Now I gotta go bald. I'm gonna go bald now, man. I'm gonna go bald. Crazy, bro. Gold probably broke. Internal uptrend change to bearish. We sell. Yeah, I'm looking for sells, bro. I'm looking for sells. Please explain how you calculate your lot size. You have to go and tell me your account size, bro. A low taper? Yes, sir. Can we increase the size of the magnet? I will, bro. I will. What account size? What account type to use? I use a normal standard 1:2000 leverage account, bro. How would I pop my 50k one phase challenge as Comit? I would just say proper risk management is the best way to pass your account, bro. Salam, inshallah, we all make money till I got greedy. Unlucky, bro. Hopefully you can recover, bro. I will come all the way to Josie. Crazy, bro. My barber's name is Tejas, bro. My barber's name is Tejas. Let's see over here. Is that a Rolex? No, it's not, bro. It's not. I need those glasses, bro. I don't even know, bro. This is not even my glasses. This is Mr. Shaquille Samai's glasses, bro. Shaquille Samai's glasses. I don't even know what it is, like what brand it is. Let me try and see over here what brand these glasses are. There's, I don't really say there's no brand, bro. It's just like these shades over here. I'm not even sure what brand it is, bro. Not sure. Glowing like a goldie. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Yep, low taper, man. 7 foot in your new car. Crazy work, bro. What's up, Mikhail Trades? Broskino with a clean Catino. Yes, sir, Reno. Mikhailino. Low fade would be fire. I agree, bro. What's the cast name? I think it's a low taper fade, bro. A low taper fade. Low taper fade. Account size of 100. No, account size of 1,000 rand. I would use 0.01, bro. Is that a, bro? Desiree, I am answering your question the whole time. I said no, it's not a Rolex. Shaq cooked at his Telegram group with a new strat? Of course, bro. Must do the top G cut? Nah, I can't do a top G cut and go bold. That's crazy, man. A top G cut going bold. Nah. Can't do that, bro. I also cut my hair. Tejas. No ways, bro. No ways. Crazy work. I hit my daily targets, so I'm just here to support. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate the support, Brandon. You are the #1 supporter, bro. We love you over here. What strategy do you use? I use support and resistance, guys. Support, resistance. So I'm looking for my sells over here. Waiting for it to actually break below here, retest there, and sell off, guys. Could have been a nice sell if we entered over, yeah, up top at 38, but it's all good, though. Not going to be looking for it in the range over here, because this is a no-trade range, guys. A no-trade range over here. We have to wait for it to actually break below the range to get our big sell-off, guys. We can be patient and just wait for our setup to form, guys. Wait for our setup to form, man. On a highway and I'm thinking another. I'm at break even. Perfect, bro. No stress. Perfectino, perfectano. Let's see over here. What's the bruise saying? Go there. Crazy, bro. Crazy, man. Damn, bruh. Nah, bro. You guys tweaking, bro. You guys tweaking, bro. Let me just accept this here real quick. Salams. VIP bank. Boom. Bro, I'm so tired of buying data, bro. I literally buy like 1 gig a day, bro. I don't know why, bro. Album with 0 skips, bro. You know, good music, crazy, bro. NASDAQ, Safwan, Rebel Monster, Rebel, bro. NASDAQ, not really doing much, bro. I mean, it's just in between our range again. Looks like today's gonna be like one of those days where it's just ranging. It's okay. US 30 is doing some good stuff right here. I won't lie to you. We could have had a good buy over here, but I wasn't looking at US 30 over here. So it would have been a clean entry over here for us. 1:1.5. But it's all good though. I never took the trade on US 30 because I wasn't looking. I was looking at gold. But it's fine though. It's still busy pushing up a lot. Let's see if we can get a rejection here on US 30. Doesn't seem like it. It's just rallying, bro. US 30 is just pushing, bro. That's crazy. Gold also pushing up now. Gold pushing up now. NASDAQ, I'm sure, also pushing up now. Yeah. So it seems like everything is getting a pump right now. We should be getting a nice trade very soon. Let's wait and let's see. Are we gonna be able to get any trades here, or what is the actual story? What's the story here? US 30 still pushing. Gold still a bit slow. Not looking the best right now, gold. Mrs. Goldilocks. Just get a data contract. Yeah, I think I should, bro. But let me know. Are you guys ready for this trade, guys? Are you guys ready for this beautiful trade we're about to get here on gold? I want to see you guys go crazy with the W's in the chat now. I'm going to go crazy in the chat now. Go crazy, mad. Just W's, stuff, whatever, bro. Really. Get some hype going in the chat now. Because it looks like we might have a good trade over here on Mrs. Goldilocks over here. We might just go with some buys on gold. Some buys on gold. If we can just break above this level over here. Break above here. We can go for the buys. Break above and retest and continuation. Continuation of the momentumation. Let's go, let's go, let's go, gold. Wowzers, Goldilocks with a big push up. Let's see, let's see, let's see. One secchi. Damn. Gold's flying right now. Gold is going right now. Holy bombo clot. Good 15-minute, I agree, bro. Good 15-minute candle closure. I wanted just to close above this area over here. You can see what we have over here, right? The level of resistance just above there, guys, on the 15 time. So just can close above that level over there. Then we should be good for some buys, guys. You guys will see. Either it's going to reject off this level and come back down, or it's going to break above, retest, and then continue. So we have to be patient. We can't just rush into a trade, guys. Mark out the entry for gold. Yeah, we are waiting, bro. We are waiting for this entry here on gold. Somewhere around here. So somewhere around there, guys. So let's wait and let's see. Can we break above here? If we can break above, I'll look for buys, guys. Waiting for a breakout here on gold. Let's see. Let's see. One secchi. Crazy work, man. Come on, gold. Give us something here, man. Okay. Clear that. Let's see. I'm the goat of trading. Possibly, bro, possibly. Damn, bro, this weather's going crazy. It's like so dark right now, man. It's crazy work. Let's see. If we don't get a nice push up here, then we could also have a sell from this area, low key. I won't lie to you. We can close it like bearish. Could be good for some sell as well, but let's see. Hopefully we get buys. Hopefully. What made you stick with support? Is this because I see it works the best, bro? I mean, I've been trying out strategies previously when I was learning how to trade, and support and resistance was perfect, bro. Market structure is bullish. I agree, bro. Market structure is bullish, bro. Waiting for a buy over here on gold. I am waiting for a buy. Let me just send it out here to my signal group that I'm looking for buys. Looking for buys. Possible entry soon. Damn, look at that, bro. This is one of my students over here. One of my VIP members. Let me just show you over here, right? One of my VIP members. What he did. Look at this. He sent me a video right now of him buying groceries for 5k, bro. Look at this. 5,200 rand because of the signals. Able to buy groceries, bro, for 5,000 rand, bro. That's what I love to see. 5k, bro, of groceries because of my signals, bro. Madness, bro. Absolute madness right there. Well done to you, bro. Well done to you on that. Crazy work, bro. That's what I love to see, man. What's your experience with gold on Friday? It's normal, bro. It's normal. It's normal. It's not really a stress on Fridays. Go back here to gold. Oh, sorry, make my face a bit smaller. I was massive on the screen. Crazy work. I'm staying out of the market. Sorry, perfect, bro. Have you ever tried swing trading? No, I haven't, bro. Bro, Skino, I saw in the free Telegram group you're cooking up a special. I am, bro. Cooking up a special for you guys for the mentorship and the signals, bro. So you guys can get in there with a cheaper price and not break the bank in order to learn how to trade, bro. That's my goal, to help you guys learn for a very cheap price, because I make my money off the markets. I make my money off the markets, bro. So, yeah, bro. That's basically that. And, yeah, bro. Essentialini, tortellini, gusini. Delicioso Coke. Delicioso Coquino. What's your win rate? It's about a 85 to 90% win rate on the signals. And normal risk to reward ratio is about a 1:1 or 1:2, bro. It rejected. Yeah, I do see it did reject over there, but I'm still waiting for buys. Still waiting for buys, guys. Because on the higher time frame, you can see it's a very, very bullish 15-minute candle closure. It's a very bullish previous 30-minute candle closure as well, with a nice big rejection over here, respecting the bottom wick, respecting this level of support as well. Same thing on the 1 hour time frame, guys. Looking quite bullish. That's why I'm not going to be taking my sells just yet, because the higher time frames are not confirming a sell on gold. It's confirming a buy on gold in the higher time frames, but the lower time frame shows a sell. So that's why just stay away from me for now until you get a proper setup and then go. And this office, bro, this office is ice cold, bro. Holy sherbet. You mentioned something cooking for us on the Telegram. Any info? It's going to be a massive sale on the mentorship and the lifetime VIP signals together, bro. Normally, that costs about 5,000 Rand. I'm bringing it all the way down, bro. Extremely cheap for you. But I'm only going to open up like 10 or 15 spots for that, because it's going to, I promise you, it's going to be extremely cheap, bro. It's going to be like literally like a flash sale to help you guys get into the mentorship group to learn and into the signal group to make money with signals. So, yeah. That's a bit of info on that, bro. FS Killer the GOAT? Nope. David Conrad Candy. You are the GOAT. You are the GOAT, bro. Literally. No cap, bro. You the GOAT. I'm the first one to buy it. Perfect, bro. Secure me one. I will, bro. I will. No stress. I got you guys. Gold, you can see now, is pushing up nicely over there. Can't wait. So we gotta wait for the message. Yes, sir. It's a combo deal, bro. You're gonna get both for very cheap, bro. You can't get one, you have to get both. W in the chat, yes sir. Let's see, gold's pushing up now quite nicely. Hopefully we can get an entry over here. If gold can just close above here. That's some crazy lightning going on out there. Lightning McQueen in the sky. Lightning McQueen in the sky. Michaelino ready to join? Perfect, bro. Stuff one is some W's. W in the chat, man. Check US 30. Let's go to US 30. US 30 is still pushing up beautifully from this area of support that I actually marked out over here. So that's nice. NASDAQ, quite a similar setup over here. It's looking like it's going to be the first setup with a breakout retest and going up. US 30 just going, bro. Gold, waiting for a setup here, guys. Gold, since we came on a stream at what time? Where was it? Yeah. At 3 o'clock, it basically did nothing, guys, since we joined. Right? It just went up a little bit, came down again, went back up a little bit, came down again. It's not really going anywhere, man. It's not really going anywhere. I am interested in joining your VIP signals. Just send me a DM, bro. Send me a DM on Instagram. Here's my @ over here, FX__. Sorry, FX_killers_, bro. Send me a DM there, bro. Double top with my sell off there. If you can break above here, bro, then it should buy up from here, bro. Should. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. We're playing ping pong. I agree, bro. I agree. No, wait, let's see. Gold, give us something, man. NAS is flying. Let's check out NASDAQ. Yeah, it is flying. I won't lie to you. NASDAQ is flying right now. This could be good for buys, guys. NASDAQ could be good for buys. US 30 could be good for buys as well. I think NASDAQ is looking quite good for buys, guys. I won't lie to you. Let's see if it can come down a little bit here. Let me search up NASDAQ on my phone. NAS 100. So I'm going to enter some buys over here on the NASDAQ. Let me see 1 second. Yeah, so I've entered buys over here on NASDAQ, guys. I've entered buys on NASDAQ. It's a very, very high risk setup. I've entered around here or so. My SL will be quite small, just below that low over there, right? So I've entered my buys over here on NASDAQ. You can see over here, entered my buys on NASDAQ because we have a very bullish candle closure over there, right? I'm going to put my SL below here. This signal will not be sent to the VIP group. It's a very, very small trade over here, but only about a 500 pip stop loss, risking about 4,000 rand on this trade. Let's just see over here how it goes, guys. So I have entered my buys, guys. I have entered my buys on NASDAQ. It's quite a high risk setup, but it does seem to be quite bullish. I'm hoping we can have a big push up from here. Let's see. Come on, NASDAQ, pay us now. So I've entered over here at about... 1 second, I'll tell you where we entered now. Come on, NASDAQ, pay us now. Push up, NASDAQ, let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. I've entered at 24,000 is my entry, guys. 24,000 is my entry. My stop loss is at 23,950. Right there. My TP1. No, man, wait. There we go. We're pushing up now nicely, guys. Pushing up now. Very nicely right now. I've entered around here or so. 24. Yeah, I've entered over here, guys. My SL is below the 5-minute low. My SL is below the 5-minute low over there, guys. Right? SL is below the 5-minute low over here. And then TP will be all the way up top here, guys. So let's see. Come on, NASDAQ, pay us now. Down about 1.2k, 1.3k or so. 1.4, 1.7. Down 1.9, 1.5. You can see that my entries over there, guys. My entries over there. Risking about 6k or so. Come on, NASDAQ, pay us now, man. It was a beautiful 5-minute bullish candle closure. It should push up from here. It should push up from here, guys. I'm seeing a big push up here. Hoping for a good signal. Same, bro. Same. I'm using a 0.02 lot size on NASDAQ. I would say use a 0.01 for you because, of course, NASDAQ is very, very volatile. My account's quite big. So that's why I can take a trade like this here. But it's just dropping right now once again for no reason, man. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you doing? Stop playing games. Stop playing games with us, NASDAQ. Don't play no games with us, NASDAQ. Reject right now and push up. Come on. This is a good setup right here. We broke above the level of resistance. We closed very bullish. We should see a push up here, guys. I'm not sure why it's coming down so much. Come on, man. You're not going to go stop loss now, are you? Come on, NASDAQ. Push up for us. Pull up for us, NAS. Come on. It's a very small stop loss if we do hit it. It's not a stress. It's a very small stop loss. Okay. Are you kidding me, bro? Why? This whole week, bro. I really can't catch a win, bro. I really cannot catch a win. Why, man? This makes no sense again, bro. No ways, bro. It literally wicked me out and it's going back up now. Are you kidding me? Bro, what? Another L, bro. Look at this. It literally tapped me out and straight up again. Are you actually kidding me, bro? What is going on this week? Bro, literally, look at this. It literally hit stop loss and now it's sprinting up. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you actually kidding me right now? Look at that. What? No ways. That actually makes 0 sense right there. That actually makes 0 sense, bro. My broski. You good? I've re-entered, guys, on NASDAQ. I've re-entered NASDAQ, yeah. Actually. I heard so from Mr. What's it called? He said. No, what's his name? Daniel. I've entered again, guys. I've entered NASDAQ again. I see it clean again.
Is it Porsche?
Yeah. It is. Just 1 second. I will. No stress. Okay, guys, so I've entered again my re-entry here on NASDAQ. I've entered again here on NASDAQ. It's not really revenge trading, bro. It's more so the fact that it's given us another good setup, bro. It's giving me a good setup again, bro. Or you can stick to gold. If you want to stick to gold, you can. For me personally, I'm seeing a decent looking setup on NASDAQ. I mean, gold has nothing. US30 also has nothing. NASDAQ, the only one that I see right now, has a decent looking setup right now, where it broke above, retested, and now it should go up, guys. So if you want to, you can take the trade. If not, it's perfectly fine. It's a very high risk trade once again, so do be careful of it, right? My SL will be again below the 5-minute lows at 920, 23, 920. Let's see if NASDAQ wants to pay us today or not, guys. I'm sure this trade should be a decent looking trade. Let's see. Come on, NASDAQ, pay us now. The first entry we took a loss. The second entry right now, because you can see why it broke above this area, came to retest, and now we should see a push up, guys. Here's my entries over here on NASDAQ once again. You can see over here my entries. I'll make this thing a bit bigger for you guys. Here's my entries over here on NASDAQ. Right, you can see so far for the day. Right, here's my trade. I'm down about 1.2k or so, 1.3k or so. So let's see. Risking about 5k again, guys, on this trade. Come on, NASDAQ. It's looking like a pretty good buy setup. The 15-minute is bullish, 30-minute is bullish, 1 hour is bullish. We should see it going up here very nicely, guys. I'm seeing a big push up here. A big push up here, man. Come on, pay us, NASDAQ. Pay us right now, NASDAQino, NASDAQano. There. There. And my TPs will be at a 1:1, 1:2, 1:3. So I'm risking about $90 on the stop loss or so. So my entry is about 24015. My SL is about 23920. 23920, guys. That's my levels of my entries over there. So let's see. Come on. Push up over here and give us our take profit. Come on, NASDAQ, you know. Make my camera smaller over here. Go over there. You'll make profits very soon. Yeah, bro. I mean, the thing is, right, like we've been making big profits in the signal group every single day. The only thing is on the live stream, bro. Like, it's literally wicking us out and then going in our direction every single time. It happened on Monday. It happened on Wednesday. It happened today, where we have a perfect setup. It goes in our direction. It then just drops, give us a stop loss, and then goes into our favor on the re-entry after the stream, which is very annoying, bro, because I want to make profits on the stream here for you guys. So that's the only annoying thing, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But it's looking quite decent now. NASDAQ should be flying over here. You can see we're back at break even here on the trade. Down about 200, back in some profits. 500 down, 300 down. We should see a nice push up soon here, guys. A good looking push should be coming soon. All of the time frames are looking bullish on NASDAQ. Should be quite decent. Should be quite decent, guys. Come on. Push up for us here, man. Give us our take profit. You know you want to. You know you want to. NASDAQino, NASDAQano. Come on. Take profit will be at a 1:1, guys. TP will be as a 1:1, guys. These wicks I actually need to teach. I agree, bro. Let's see over here. Trade the plan and not trade the plan and trade the plan. Of course, bro. Always trade the plan, bro. 100%, man. How many SLs on the stream this week? So this week, yeah, we had, I think, 2 stop losses. It was yesterday and today. We had a trade on gold yesterday, stop loss, and now on NASDAQ. So it's not the best, of course, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. Let's see. Still holding NASDAQ over here. Still holding over here, guys. Start your stream at 3:30. We can, bro. We can do it at 3:30, but it's nice to do it before because we want to obviously analyze before the market opens up to see what we're seeing before the market opens up and then do it. Marcelino, yeah, I saw Marcelino had some good trades, bro. I'm happy for him over there. He had some good trades on German 30, I think it was, right? German 30 has some good trades over there. Very happy for him. And I saw him with some big blues. Hopefully we can do the same over here and make some big blue as well. Looking quite decent right now. Looking quite decent. Come on, NASDAQ. Fly for us over here. Fly for us over here. We're back at the entry level over here. We are in some profits now. In some profitinos. Come on. Fly for us. You know you want to. You know you want to. No gold. Nah, gold is just not doing anything, bro. Gold not doing nothing is here, guys. Because gold hasn't even moved from the time we got on the stream. Hasn't moved a bit. Only NASDAQ has moved. NASDAQ and US 30 has moved a bit. US 30 moved perfectly from our level of support. NASDAQ, it broke above our level of resistance now. Retested it, and now we should see a big push up here. I'm seeing a massive, massive push up coming soon here on the NASDAQ, guys. There we go. Now we're in some profits over here of about 300 Rand or so. Come on, NASDAQ. Fly for us. You know you want to. There we go. NASDAQ. Finally pushing up right now. Up around 1,000 Rand. 1.1. 1.3. Come on. Fly for us. Fly for us now. NASDAQ. Up around 200 pips or so. The last trade we lost about 500 pips or so. So of course we're looking to obviously make back the loss plus some profits. So that's the goal, right? To make back about 1,000 pips in profit to make a 1:2 on the trade. So let's see if NASDAQ can pay us, guys. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Pay us right now. Let's see over here. I'm not too sure what you say, Mr. Wimpy Fanzale, bro. If you tired of the stop losses, then just don't watch the stream. Simple, bro. We had literally just 2 losses the whole week. For myself personally, only had 2 losses this week. This trade we're in right now, we're in some profits. So let's see. Hopefully we can recover the loss from today with this one trade over here. We just need NASDAQ to fly and then we chilling, bro. Gold buy at 4446. Let's see. Nah, I wouldn't say so, bro. I mean, it's just like not really moving that nice. A good buy would be from down here, bro. That would be a good buy on gold. For now, we're sticking to NASDAQ just to see how it's gonna go. Hopefully, we can see a big push up here soon, guys. Come on, pay us right now, Mr. NASDAQ. Come on, waiting for this big push up to happen over here on NASDAQ. For this big push up here on NASDAQ to happen. Come on, fly for us. Fly for us, NASDAQ. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. What do you mean, bro? Why? This makes 0 sense. You're really all the way up there right now. Now you came all the way down for what? Hello? That makes 0 sense, man. Come on, NASDAQ, man. Respect our setup and go to the upside. I don't even know, bro, why NASDAQ is dropping like that, bro. It's really above the level of support. It respected the level of support and it pushed up nicely. It also went above this high over here. It should have pushed up from here perfectly, but it never once again. This week the price action has been horrible, bro. Like, it's giving us good setups. It's just not respecting the setups, bro. I'm not sure why. Like, look at this. Like, it broke above it retested here. It should have gone up already from after this retest here. It should have already flown up from here and gone to TP already, bro. But it never. Not sure why. It's very annoying, but it is what it is, man. It's part of trading. It's part of trading, bro. It's very, very annoying. But let's see. Still holding over here. I'm still on the stream. Still holding. Come on, NASDAQ. Push up and give us our take profit, man. You know you want to. You did us so dirty with the previous trade. Where you literally went and tapped us out of the stop loss and then flew all the way back up. So annoying. So dirty from NASDAQ. And gold as well. Not doing anything. Not giving us no setups. US 30 as well. Not giving us no setup. Nah, man. This doesn't make no sense, man. This don't make no sense. Come on. Fly. This could just be a retest over here of the level of support, guys. Could be another retest of the level of support down there. Could just be a retestino. Let's see. Let's wait and let's see. The SL is the fee to freedom. I agree, bro. I agree. That's NASDAQ for you? Yeah, I mean, I thought NASDAQ would have been good to us, bro, because, I mean, it's a A+ setup, a breakout retest continuation. It's a very good setup, bro. So I'm not too sure why it's not following the market structure. Not too sure why, man. Not too sure why. Come on, man. Respect this level of support now. Respect the level of support and push up. Come on. Come on, man. Respect my setup and push. You know you want to go NASDAQ. You know you want to. Down about 5.5k or 5k or so. You see over here, down about 4.6, 4.3, 4.2, 4.1, 4k, 3.2. There we go. Now it's respecting quite nicely over here. We need to see it fly from here, guys. This is a nice breakout retest. Should have a continuation move up here. We should see. We should see a nice push up here. Come on, fly for us. You see, I've also added an entry down there below on NASDAQ, a sniper entry down there. If this can fly now, we'll make back the loss easy. Small 500 pip loss only. Come on, NASDAQ, you know you want to pay us. Let's see gold if it's doing anything. Nah, still nothing, man. If this can close like this, 5-minute candle, this would be beautiful. Then it's a beautiful breakout retest continuation move. Breakout retest continuation, Brody. Come on.
When you're done with the stream, when come to the boardroom, yeah?
Okay.
I'll introduce you to him, and then when we go,
Mm.
then we'll all go downstairs and show him our car.
Yeah, where's the seller V, bro?
It's just here,
Where is it?
right around the corner from me.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Right, so I'm not gonna put you out your way.
Yeah, let's go all the way back home, far drive. And this rain is what's worrying me. That's the only thing, but it's all good though. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's fly, NASDAQ. Let's fly. Let's fly, NASDAQ. Wrong way you going. Wrong way. Push up for us. Come on. Respect my level of support, Brody.
See you that side.
Yeah, no stress. Fly.
May you punish these charts.
Of course.
Yo, what's up, gangsters? You know what it is.
Yes, sir.
2,000 lots of going in.
Going in. There we go. It's respecting quite nicely now, guys.
You see the swag today, boys? The swag today.
Tripped out. I won't lie. Tripped out. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's looking quite good, guys, over here. Nice rejection over there from the level of support.
Swaggy Alex. wait, I have to take a story of that, though.
Of course. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Push up now.
Even the chat
Yes, sir.
knows. Respect the drip.
Alex got the drip, the swaggerino. Of course. Crazy.
Go off.
There we go.
Alex,
Swaggy
Alex.
Alex. Crazy, bro.
You're shooting me.
Yeah.
Wait, let me read to that. Even the chat knows the boy is always dressed nice. Swaggy Alex, let's go. Are we gonna hit TP?
Of course, bro. In the buys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, pay us.
Pay us.
There we go. So it's a nice 5-minute candle closure there. Looking quite decent. Always with, of course, bro.
Thanks, Brandon.
Okay, so now we should see a nice push up here, guys. We should see a nice push up here because we have a nice 5-minute candle over here. You can see it broke out, it came to retest, and it's pushing up exactly like I said in the start of the stream, guys. What we wanted to see, a nice little breakout, retest, continuation move here. So we have the breakout, we have the retest. We're now waiting for the continuation. You can see we're back in some profits over here. Back in some profits over there. You can see the entries over here looking quite decent. Right, let me make this bigger for you guys. There we go. There we go. Now we're pushing up. Now we're pushing up around 2K or so. Beautiful. Come on. Fly for us now. Fly for us now, guys. There we go. Our entries over there. We need to fly right now, gold. I mean, sorry, NASDAQ. We need to fly right now, NASDAQ. Up around 1.4, 1.3, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. I lost about 5K with the previous trade, so I'm looking to make back about 10K with this trade. There we go. Come on. 2.7. There we go. 2.8. Lovely. Come on. Fly for us now. The breakout happened. The retest happened. The continuation is happening right now, guys. We need to see NASDAQ flying. Flying, flying, flying. Let me know. Are you guys in, guys? Are you guys in here with me or not? What's the story? Find Alice's girlfriend. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Gold buys look good to go. Let's see. Gold buys. We have to wait for the candle for us to close, bro. Wait for the candle for us to close because you can see the candle did not close yet, bro. It could reject over there. So that's why I have to wait for gold over there to close. But yeah, let's wait. Come on, NASDAQ. Fly for us right now. You know you want to do it. You know you want to do it, man. You know you want to do it. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. We're still at the entry level right now. I'm up only about like 100 Rand, 300 Rand, 500 Rand now. I have a 0.08 lot size on NASDAQ right now. So if it pays us, it's going to pay us a lot, bro. Could make a lot of money on this trade. I won't lie to you. Make about 15 to 20K profit on this trade, bro. 15 to 20K profit on this trade. Come on. Push up for us right now. Fly up for us right now, NASDAQ. Come on. You know you want to. The magnet is calling your name. The magnet is calling your name. Literally. The magnetino is calling your name. NASDAQ. Come on. Fly. This chat is wild. I agree, bro. You need to win it, of course, bro. Bro, break even close now? Nah, I'm going to hold, bro. I mean, I held till about 4K loss, so I have to hold for my risk to reward ratio at least 4K profit, bro. That's just how I trade, bro. And I went in this trade risking about 6K, so I have to, of course, get to 6K profit here on my screen to be able to say, okay, I can close now. That's how you trade, bro. Let's see gold as well. Let's see what it's doing. Still nothing. NASDAQ. It's above entry right now. We're in overall profits. This thing is annoying me, bro. It's not moving, man. It's literally not moving. It's just staying exactly where it is, man. NASDAQ, brother. NASDAQ, my brother. Fly for us, brother. Fly for us, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now and close up here at break even, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close up at break even. Close at break even, guys. This is not looking the best. It's taking forever to move, man. It's literally not even moving. So I'm closing up here at break even, guys, for a 0 profit, 0 loss trade. Closing up now at break even. You can see we're at break even right now. I'm closing up for a break even trade. It's been annoying, man. Buy or sell, nothing, bro. We're closing up the trade. We were in some buys on NASDAQ. Closing up here at break even. It's just being so annoying, bro. It's not moving. It's literally not moving, man. That's so annoying. Okay. I'm out. I close up at break even. close up my trade here, break even. I am out of the trade, guys. And also with me also being out of the trade, I'm going to also go ahead and end off the stream because there's nothing going on here, literally. US30 is doing nothing, gold is doing nothing, NASDAQ is doing nothing. Everything is literally not even moving, bro. It's so stupid. Like, nothing is happening here. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end off the stream. Gold is still doing absolutely nothing, bro. Literally just ranging the whole time. It's not giving us any breakout, nothing. So annoying. But yeah, I will see you guys again next week, guys. I'll be back on the stream next week, Monday. I'm taking tomorrow off, so I will see you guys again next week, Monday. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And sorry about the loss once again. It once again really tapped us out on NASDAQ over here, and then went straight back up into our profits on NASDAQ. So very unlucky, but yeah, we are out at entry on the secondary entry trade. With that being said, I am signing out for today. Peace and love. Boom.